Page 10, Big City Hustle. This kind of looks fun for some people. Other people look at it and think, yuck. I look at this kind of thing, okay, because I can tell by looking at it the hands are doing this, and I like to do this. So, okay, it's fun. I'll look it over. It's about 2 pages long. Treble and bass clef signs. There's one flat in the key signature, which means we're either in the key of F major or D minor or some other mode. If we look at the beginning, it's starting here. It's an F7 chords. We can tell there's going to be a lot of 7 chords in this. If you look at the end, bottom page 11, you hear it's another 7 chord. Going to use a lot of 7 chords in this. If you take out the 7th and play the rest of it, it's that. I'm guessing we're probably in the key of F major. It doesn't really matter that much because for the scales and arpeggios, do them both. The scales and arpeggios for F major and D minor. Yeah. And then 4/4 time signature. Let's take it one hand at a time, although it'll be easier once we put the hands together. I still want to check it one hand at a time first. Right hand, you're starting down here, this chord. It's an A minor chord here. 1 and 2 and 3, and then this yuck. Well, spell it out. Spell out the chord. The first one is an A flat here, and then a B natural. They need the natural sign because there's a B flat in the key signature. So, and a D. How you finger it, if you're doing that, that's easier. If you don't want your hand up in here, then you need to finger this like here. And that way, when you're doing that, you're just coming down, these and this. Again, I don't know how big your hands are, but if your hands don't fit up in here, do that. Here. It's a little inconvenient because then when you go to the third measure, you got to come up here. So if you can, use the fingering in the book. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and then 1 E and a, 1 E and a, or 1 and 1 and 2. 1. Get the idea? Let's go over to page 11 on the measure 10. You're up here, same rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3. What, they have 1 and 2. You don't want to do that, then come down here. 1. Because I can do that. I can cover all those notes there in measure 11 in one hand position. 1 and 2. Again, I don't know how big your hands are, but the fingering in the book is fine if you can do it. Check the rhythm on measure 11. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We do okay till we get to the quarter note because otherwise they're just eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Okay. Left hand. Well, left hand's a little more civilized. It's just quarter notes. For the most part, you get a few eighth notes, big deal. Put the hands together so it's here. Right now, I'm still connecting everything. We'll do the staccatos later. So I'm connecting this. So I go through the whole thing, put the hands together, and then I go back through it slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. Once I can do that, then I'll think about the articulation. The staccatos, I'm going to play short, and I'm going to hinge at the wrist here. Boom, boom, short. The accent, give a little extra. Accent. See, I'm connecting this. I'm not this staccato. Measure 10, top of page 11, I guess. So you only get staccatos for the first 2 beats. The first 4 eighth notes, here, and then the rest of it's not. Here and then left out. Did you get the idea? So sometimes you're accenting or staccatoing or connecting and the hands are doing different things. You can work that out slowly. If the hesitations come back in, then take the time right then and there to get rid of them. Don't let hesitations stay thinking you'll fix it later. It doesn't work that way. You got to stop and fix the hesitations immediately. Then I can think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning, mezzo forte, and there's no melody for the first two measures. It's both hands here. Sort of loud. The accented notes then are going to be loud. But here, that's moderately loud. This left hand needs to get soft a bit. On measure 11, you come down to moderately soft. That's a piano, mostly the right hand. Then on measure 18, you back up to moderately loud. Okay. Speed, it just says brightly. Now, we're not swinging this one. We're going to play even eighth notes. That's somewhere around 1, 2, 2. At the bottom of page 11, the last three measures, you got that? And those two little lines, called a caesura or railroad tracks. It's a pause. It's where you're silent and there's no set length of time you're silent. You're just, everything comes to a halt. This is one of those times where the beat does not go on. It stops just for a moment, and then you play the last one. So the last line, measure 19. And then you play it. And in my opinion, you could pedal that last chord. Just put the pedal down right after you play the notes. And the reason for that is a lot of times in this kind of music, you'll give that last chord overtone flavor. And a lot of times in music, when we have longer held notes, we'll pedal them anyway, just for the overtones. It helps. Just pedal it here, in my opinion. You know, don't have to, I guess, but I like it. Now, if you see the repeat sign at the measure 17, there is no reverse repeat sign anywhere. Therefore, you go back to the beginning and play the whole mess again. Yeah, so it's almost twice as long as it looks. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. I'll do the staccatos and I'll try and do the accents. I miss them sometimes. And we will do the repeat. On the caesura, the whole pause at the end, I'm going to hold that one count because I got to stay with a metronome. So I'm just going to be silent for one count. It's like that measure has 5 counts in it instead of 4. And then we go on. I'll give us 4 counts. Now, because this has an 8th note beat to it pretty much throughout, I'll put the metronome on 8th notes. So it's beating 8th notes, but I'm going to give us 4 quarter notes to come in. Is this confusing? Just come in when I do. Yeah. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. And 4 and. And 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 1. Repeat. And 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Go on. Pause and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and tie and 2 and 3 and 4 and off.